Our compressed bamboo flooring is a popular choice for any home renovation project. It's used in all areas of the home apart from bathrooms, mainly due to the high humidity. It all comes pre-coated with 10 coats of sealer and polyurethane, so there's nothing to do to it once it's installed. It's easy to clean and look after, handles pets and family life really well, but for cleaning, a damp microfiber mop's really good, or you can still vacuum it or sweep it as well. It comes in 3 colours. There's the natural colour, the colour's consistent right through, or the coffee colour, which is a popular choice. This has just been cooked a bit longer, which caramelises the sugars in it. Or there's the vanilla colour, which has a white wash applied over the natural base colour. Most customers prefer to install the flooring over an underlay and float the floor. There's something like this, which is a Roberts 3-in-1 underlay, or there's one made from recycled foam, another option. Both of these just sit on the subfloor and the flooring just floats on top of it. And it all locks together like this on all 4 edges, so it creates quite a tight seal. And there's a wax coating on the joins, so when it does lock together, it's really tight. So it handles spills and things, like if you drop a glass of red wine or something like that, it's easy to clean up and look after. Check out our website. We've got lots of photos of how it's being used around the country. And if you've got any queries, please reach out to the team, and you can request a free sample, of course, via the website.